Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to unbox the toy of Maruti WagonR. This is the toy of Maruti WagonR. It is the first gen model of our favorite Maruti WagonR. WagonR is one of the highest selling cars made by Maruti Suzuki in India. So let's remove the packing. So this is the toy model. It looks exactly as same as the first generation Maruti WagonR. It also has the detailed and real emblem of Suzuki. This was the old emblem of Maruti Suzuki. It has a well designed body and a realistic interior. This is a pullback action toy car, and if you want to get this cute WagonR, check the description. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Share my videos. If you have any doubts or suggestions, use the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Click on the bell button to get notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.